Paxton Products, the leader in drying and air rinsing solutions.
Changing the belt on your Paxton blower. Ensure that your power has been disconnected and all lockout tagout procedures have been followed prior to performing any services on your blower. First thing is to remove the belt guard. You would use either a Phillips No. 2 or Torx T7 depending on the age and blower model. Remove all 4 screws and the belt guard will come off. Install a 5/16 Allen key into the center bolt of the idler pulley. Rotate clockwise to remove tension from the belt and remove the belt. To reinstall the belt, first look at the orientation marks on the belt. First loop the belt around the motor pulley, then rotate the idler clockwise, loop the belt around the blower pulley. Rotate the belt a few revolutions to ensure that all of the ribs of the belt are engaged into the pulley. Make sure the tensioner aligns with the arrow for proper belt tension. Reinstall the belt guard. For more information, visit PaxtonProducts.com or contact us today.